the World Environment Day. It is celebrated every year to create awareness about the environmental problems that we are facing right now. So let us all focus our thoughts and energies to make collective efforts towards protecting our environment. I repeat, protecting our environment. So are you all with me?
Yes!
Let me take you to the journey of our Earth that was way back in 1950. This is the Earth in 1950. It looks so beautiful. It is full of its natural resources. The air that I breathe is so clean and clear. Everywhere I see, there's grass and trees. People living in here are so happy. But because of these people's greedy nature, a demon called pollution hits the earth. What happened to our earth? It looks so unhealthy and full of pollution.
My friend, this is our Earth in 2012. Look at the brighter side. The Earth, the mankind has evolved so much. We have grown so much. Look at the development. Look at the urbanization. Look at the growth. Today, man has everything he desires of. Look at that Lamborghini parked outside my house. I have everything in this world.
But do you know at what expense have you achieved this? Can you justify the existence of the demon called pollution that you have created?
Why should I be bothered about all the pollution in the world? I am able to lead a comfortable life. I don't care about the environment. I don't care about the pollution.
But we should all care about our environment and the resources. We must guard them and not use them as if there's no tomorrow. If we don't control the ecological balance, then how will our earth sustain us? That makes you think, right? Let us see the current situation that we are facing.
हाँ यार दास, क्या बताऊँ, आज सुबह न्यूज़ देख रहा था। यहाँ पे पीने को पानी नहीं और वो दूसरी जगह हद से ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है। काश मैं थोड़ा पर्यावरण के बारे में सोच लिया होता तो ये पोल्यूशन और ग्लोबल वार्मिंग से शायद हम बच जाते।
हाँ यार, तू सही कह रहा है। What do you think, my friend?
Global warming and pollution has seriously affected our environment. At this rate, I don't know what will be our future.
Do you want to know about the future? I have a vision. Look at our Earth of 2050.
My goodness, look at our Earth. It looks so healthy. It looks so pollution free. Is it really possible to live in this environment once again? Can we live in a pollution free environment for once again in our life? Is it really possible?
Yes, my friend, it is really possible. Do you want to know how? I'll show you the steps. Scene 1, deforestation. Action! Earth, fire, wind, water, earth. Captain Planet! Sorry, Captain Planet. Scene 2, air pollution. Action! beep, 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 beep. Captain Planet!
My friend, don't you think you should turn off your engine while on traffic signal?
Sorry, Captain Planet.
From now onward, save fuel and prevent air pollution.
Scene 3. Wastage of water. Action. Drink, drink. Drink, drink.
Hello?
Captain Planet!
Just a second, dear. Captain Planet is here. I'll call you later. Yes, Captain Planet.
My friend, don't you think you are wasting too much of water?
Sorry, Captain Planet.
Make sure you save water.
Hello, Captain Planet.
Scene 4. Wastage of power. Action. Drink, drink. Drink, drink. Captain Planet!
My friend, don't you think you are wasting too much of electricity? Look at this monitor. Now switch off your appliances whenever not in use. Okay, switch it off.
Scene 5. Use of plastic bags. Action.
ले लो कांदा ले लो सुबह से बिका ना आलू ना आधा कांदा इसलिए आलू ले लो भैया 1 किलो कांदा दो हाँ जी अरे थैली में दे दो हाँ एक
Captain Planet!
My friend, plastic bag क्यों इस्तेमाल करो? मैं प्लास्टिक बैग नहीं इस्तेमाल करता.
सॉरी कैप्टन प्लैनेट हम जूट बैग यूज करें
Friends, as you all saw, the earth has plenty to offer to satisfy a man's need, but not his greed. Today, the pollution has increased so much. We have reached a critical point where we cannot afford any further rise in pollution. Today, we need to take some steps to prevent pollution and to safeguard our environment. There is a famous saying, I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. In real world, there won't be a Captain Planet to guide us every time. We ourselves have to take responsibility and lead the change towards the betterment of our environment.
I am Mother Earth. These are my children. I love my children. No matter how much they hurt me, ruin me, or for that matter even destroy me. I love them and I wish for their happiness, their peace, their health and shelter. All I need in turn is a little bit of care and affection. Don't they deserve this? Don't I deserve to be happy? Isn't it my love is being taken for granted? The love which is unconditional for all the living beings, no matter for which caste, creed or species you all belong to. Oh my God, I can't believe it. My children, they have my future. They have the future in their hands, the hands of the Mother Earth. Is anybody listening to me?
Yes!
Is there anybody who's listening to me?
Yes!
Can I hope for some happiness? Is there anybody who's listening to me?
Yes!
सनशाइन वाली आशा रोने की वजह है क्यों हंसने के बहाने आधा
इधर मुस्कुराएंगे कुछ कहने का है वादा सनशाइन